Hello, and welcome to the Early Learning Coalition of Broward County School Readiness Provider Transfer tutorial. This tutorial will demonstrate how to complete and submit a school readiness provider transfer. In order to log into your account, please go to familyservices.floridaearlylearning.com and scroll down to the bottom of the page and click on Already Have a Family Portal Account, Sign In Here. Next, you will log into your existing OEL Family Portal account and click on Log On. In order to begin the provider transfer process, please contact the Early Learning Coalition in order to place your account into a pending update status. Updating the status to pending update allows updates to be made to the eligibility verification. Once your Family Portal account is open and you are logged into your account, scroll to the bottom of the home page and click on Update Eligibility in the School Readiness Funding section. This will lead you to the eligibility verification wizard. To begin the school readiness provider transfer process, click on Start to begin the process and continue through the application until you reach the child provider information. Please note, in the event there are previous sections missing information, you may need to update those sections and upload a document to reach the child provider information section. Once you have reached the child provider information section, click on Next to move on to the child enrollments page. On the child enrollments page, each child will be listed below along with the provider your child is currently attending. The bottom of the page will ask if the information is accurate and complete. Please click on No, I need to update the information. For the child you would like to request a provider transfer for, click on I would like to request a provider transfer. This will bring you to the provider transfer request page. On this page, you will answer 3 questions pertaining to your child's enrollment. The first question asks if your child is still attending the current provider. If they are, please click on the Yes option. If they are not attending the current provider, please click on the No option. If they are no longer attending the provider, the system will prompt you to enter the last day your child attended the provider. For the purpose of this tutorial, we will be selecting the Yes option. The second question asks the reason you wish to end the enrollment. The parent will choose one of the options from the drop-down menu. Please note that if the other option is selected, the system will prompt you to type in the response. For the purpose of this tutorial, we will be selecting that the family is moving to a new location. The third question asks if you know the new provider you would like your child to attend. If you know the new provider, please click on the Yes option. If you do not know the new provider, please click on the No option. For the purpose of this tutorial, I will be going over the steps depending on whether the Yes or No option is chosen for the third question. The first option I will be going over is if Yes, I will need to select new providers is selected. Please choose that option and click Save. This will bring you back to the child enrollments page where you will see that a transfer was requested. If all information is accurate and complete, please click on Yes, it is accurate and complete. This will then lead you to the provider selections page. Please click on Next to continue. When you answer Yes, I will need to select new providers for the child requiring a provider transfer, the system will generate a message stating additional information is needed. Please click on No, I need to update the information to continue. The system will then prompt you to either add the provider selection or select the option stating that help is needed with selecting a child care provider. If you are in need of assistance with selecting a provider, please check the box indicating I need help selecting a child care provider. The system will then ask if you would like to request help with the provider selection for the child. Select Yes to continue. If all information is accurate and complete, click on Yes, it is accurate and complete. The other option will be to add a provider selection. To select a provider, click on Add Provider Selection. In the first step, the system will generate the child care provider listing. On this page, you will be able to search for a provider based on their name, street address, city, and zip code. You may also search based on the provider's county if they are an outside county with an ELC Broward contract. For the purpose of this tutorial, I will be doing a search based on the city of Fort Lauderdale. Once the city is entered, click on Search. In the second step, all listings who are in Fort Lauderdale will generate. At this time, please click on the provider of your choice. For this video, I will be clicking on Marvel Academy. Please note, this video is being recorded through the OEL Training Family Portal. When you are selecting a provider, the provider's name should not have no SR contract listed beside it. In the third step, you will inform the coalition if your child is currently attending the new provider. Choose the Yes option if the child is attending the provider, or choose the No option if the child is not currently attending the new provider. If the child is not attending the new provider yet, please enter an estimated start date and click Save to continue. Once all of the information is entered for the child or children, click on Yes, it is accurate and complete. As previously stated in the video, I will be going over the steps based on how the third question in the provider transfer request page is answered. The following step will indicate how to continue with the application if No, I am still looking and/or need assistance is selected for the third question. If you are not sure of the new provider, please select the No, I am still looking and/or need assistance and click on Save once complete. If there is more than one child requiring a provider transfer, this will be the time to request a transfer for the other child or children. If all information is accurate and complete, please click on Yes, it is accurate and complete. This will lead you to the provider selections page. Click Next to continue. By choosing No, I am still looking and/or need assistance, the next page will indicate that assistance in selecting a provider has been requested for the child or children. If all information is accurate and complete, click on Yes, it is accurate and complete. This will lead you to the Attached Supporting Documents section. Please click on Next to continue. In addition to the submission of the provider transfer request, a zero balance letter from the provider is required. The zero balance letter can be submitted in the Additional Documentation section. Once the documentation is uploaded, please click on Yes, it is accurate and complete to move to the next step. This will then bring you to the Review and Submit section. Please review each section. If any information is inaccurate, click on the Edit button for that section to update this section. If all information is accurate and complete, click on Yes, it is accurate and complete. The final section is the Submit section. In Step 1, please read the certification statement. In Step 2, sign and submit the verification. After reading the certification statement, please check the box to certify by electronic signature and electronically sign your name. The parent's signature must be typed exactly as it is in the Household section. Click Submit Eligibility Verification to complete. Congratulations! You have successfully submitted your school readiness provider transfer. Please allow the Coalition 5 business days to review and process your transfer. If you have any further questions, please don't hesitate to contact the Early Learning Coalition customer service at 954-377-2188. Thank you for taking the time to watch this tutorial.